This time on Acresing, we continue heading north. We almost get in a boat accident.
There's a boat.
And Jen gets irritated with me. Last time on Acreswing, we set out on our largest trip yet, making our way from Anacortes to Poets Cove, where we enjoyed the posh facilities and took in the beauty of the southern Gulf Islands. Well, it's Monday morning, about 8 o'clock in Poets Cove, and right there in the background. And it rained all night, and it is nasty foggy today. Look at that. I guess not too bad. I think that island's 3 miles away, so the visibility's not super bad, but we're gonna get some coffee, and then we're gonna head north up to Nanaimo. So should be a fun cruise. Winds look pretty light, seas look pretty light, so it should be a nice smooth ride, fingers crossed. Just now leaving Poets Cove. It was fun, wasn't it?
It was fun.
I like Poets Cove. I like that little hike where I won the door challenge.
We were a team here.
Yeah, my team against your team.
I don't think that's the definition of a team.
That's a team of one. Army of one. Team of one.
Army of one is not the same as a team.
What? It's the same thing. Team. Do it.
Oh, you guys can let us know what a team means.
Yeah, so we're gonna cut around this island here. I don't know the name of it, sorry. And we're going to head north up through the Gulf Islands up to Nanaimo. We got to get through Dodds Narrows, which is it can be a little tricky. We're a pretty fast boat comparatively, right?
Now he tells me.
So we can overpower whatever current. They get up to maybe a 5-knot current for coming through there. So it's just narrow. We're a little late, but that's okay. We're fine. So. Anyway, we're going to pick it up and get underway. Coming into Dodds Narrows. Dot. She's good. Good. Dodds Narrows. It's basically just right before Nanaimo, BC. We got a sailboat ahead of us, so we're going to kind of putter back here a little bit and let him bump through. I checked the chart, and it's probably about a 4.5 to 5 knot current coming through. We're going into the current, so the current's heading south. And I'd rather what? What are you laughing about? Is my glasses straight, but is my hat straight?
Maybe it's your ears.
Yeah, my head's not straight. She's doing this because every video, look at the videos, every video you see me wearing a hat or glasses, either sunglasses or otherwise, they're always crooked. Every single time. So maybe it's just my head.
I think your ears are.
Well, that's rude. bit of a wind pushing this port side, so shoot for midship line if you can. Hey, we're in Nanaimo now. This is the furthest point north we've ever been in a boat. Actually, I think the furthest point north ever, period, for me at least.
Yeah.
I've never been any further north. Yeah.
I think you're right.
Yeah. So, yeah. See, just a second here. Walked right over there. Paul and Joy sitting over there. And it's kind of a cool little marina.
And I'm right here.
She's docked right here. Yeah. So we're gonna go explore, what is it, Old Town?
Old Town, yeah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it absolutely is adorable.
You read the story of Stone Soup, right?
Stone Soup is not the one. No, I didn't.
It doesn't look like they're very open.
No, it's gated shut or chained shut.
Because people don't do Stone Soup anymore, which makes me really sad.
Did you eat Stone Soup?
I would. The story is very sweet.
Now I'm gonna find out the story because I don't.
You've never read the story of Stone Soup?
I cannot say that I have. No.
Oh, this is cute here.
Get that off of me.
It's your color.
It's not my color.
You refuse to put it back. You have to worry.
You know, you're gonna get distracted and you're gonna drop it. Oh. Some people are just ornery.
It says the true secret of happiness lies in taking a genuine, Genuin for Jen, interest in all the details of daily life. Not true for ADHD people, just saying.
Couldn't hear you.
Are you fucking kidding me?
If there's bunnies around, Jen's gonna try and pet them. Sometimes it's like watching a Buster Keaton movie. So we had nothing left to do over there. Everything was closed, right?
Yeah, all the museums are closed.
So the kids decided to come across the bay over to, what's the name of this island?
It's called Newcastle Island.
Newcastle Island. Originally inhabited by the First Nations, Newcastle has played many roles. In the mid-1800s, it was mined for sandstone and coal by the Hudson's Bay Company. Then in the early 1900s, a sandstone quarry operated providing stones for buildings like the Parliament buildings in Victoria, BC. Between 1920 and 1940, the Canadian Pacific Railway transformed it into a resort complete with a dance hall and a tea house. In 1961, the province of BC designated it as a marine provincial park. I have never seen a squirrel that color before. Yeah, we'll check the weather to see what time the weather's supposed to roll in on Wednesday. Oosh.
Happy birthday.
Yeah. It's alright. We'll deal with whatever it throws at us. It'll be fine.
That's gas on the brakes.
What was that?
You're the gas on the brakes.
You just said I have gas.
That's it.
Yep, I'm the fun. No comment.
times safer. That's pretty.
We got a visitor waiting for us up at the dock.
We can't take him home.
Can't take him, sure? He's waiting for us.
I know.
He looks like a nice doggy.
He looks like a nice dog.
He'd be a great boat dog.
He looks like he's trying to be our dog, but he can't be our dog.
Can't be our dog. Come here. What are you doing? You a nice doggy? Hi there. Hi. You okay? Oh, you're a sweetie. Yeah, look at you. Look at you. Yeah.
Hi. Do you live at the house or with some of the campers?
We headed back to Nanaimo for dinner at Penny's Palapa.
Yeah.
What do you got?
What did I order?
Tacos.
No, what kind of tacos did I order?
All butter something? What was it?
Snapper tacos.
Snappers.
Snap right into it.
Nice, that's amazing.
I got that.
First time? Oh, that's amazing. You guys, you'll enjoy it.
I got that.
I got an enchilada.
That's right. Enchiladas.
I need to call this Amnesia channel.
Forgot what we're going to call it?
My favorite Chesterman. Chesterman.
After dinner, we headed to the store for provisions. To keep things simple, we didn't bring a lot of food into Canada, so it was time to stock up. Yeah?
Slow burn. Which kind do you want? I don't think I want extra spicy.
I don't want extra spicy either. What do you want?
Is this extra spicy? It's slow burn. Maybe.
No. To cap off the evening, we found a bar called El Jimador, where we enjoyed some drinks and live music before heading off to bed. Unfortunately, because of copyright rules, I can't play the music, but you can use your imagination. Well, it's Tuesday morning, Nanaimo, and we are about to set off. It's pretty foggy out there. It's been socked in for most of the morning. It looks like it's trying to burn off, and I'm gonna run up and hit the shower, and then we gotta be out of here in about 30-35 minutes. So I'm gonna hit the shower real quick, and then we're gonna get underway and get up to Comox. As we headed out, we passed by the Maribel. Built in 1943 by South Coast Construction in Newport Beach, California, she began her life as the USS YMS 91, a U.S. Navy minesweeper during World War II. She's really a stunning boat. Hey, what's this up? It's a little foggy.
It's a lot foggy. That's the good side. This is like whiteout like conditions.
Yeah, it's a little hard to see. We got Gary Berghoff working for us. Gary Berghoff is helping us right now.
Yeah, I don't get that either here.
It's radar for MASH. So I can see the islands, I can see, hopefully things that we should avoid hitting. We may have a boat in front of us a little ways. So, let's our land masses here and here.
There's a boat, there's a boat.
Jesus, scared the shite out of me. That was a close call. He was going way too fast and didn't even have a radar. I didn't interpret the blip on our radar quick enough. By the time Jen said something, he was already on us. Alright, this is all the joy.
Just come on cover, go ahead.
You told me between the Carmana and what 2 big fishing boats, right?
Roger.
Thank you much.
You're welcome. If you would prefer, there is a small spot on D dock, which is the next finger over. Not sure if it'd be big enough for you, but if you'd prefer to tie up there, you're more than welcome to.
Now we're already lined up, so this will do great. Appreciate it. We found Comox to be a neat little town filled with friendly people, especially the amazing harbor master who stayed late to make sure we arrived and got settled safely. We'd highly recommend this as a stop for anyone traveling to Desolation Sound or beyond. Sure. Go for it. Yeah, cool. Closed today. Oh well.
That's kind of been a thing.
It has. We've run into a lot of restaurants that are closed while we're in town. I think it's on purpose.
My knee still hurts.
I see that. Look at that. You're right, they look like boats.
We saw them first.
Hey, you did. Let's go look at them.
You might be able to see them actually better over here.
Oh shit. No. That's cool. Bella Jade. Yeah. That's a deck. That is cool. It's about dinner time, and I need to fix something on the boat before we continue on our trip. Just before we left on our trip, I accidentally smashed the stern light on the roof of the marina pulling into the slip. Before anchoring tomorrow night in Octopus Islands, I need to replace it. A special thanks to Fish on Sports, the tower manufacturer, for overnighting me a replacement. Join us next time as we finally arrive at Octopus Islands, where we hunker down to wait out a nasty storm, get to see whales along the way, and check off a major item off our cruiser's bucket list. You won't want to miss it.